Bobby here with an awesome gift idea for you. I've got a great selection. It's humongous of machines, under $400. Great gift ideas, and I gotta tell you, I got the price drop of a century. We're gonna throw in a free carry bag with every single one of these. There's a $50 bag. It comes from a company right up north, not quite the North Pole, but in Vancouver, Washington. How cool is that? So I want to tell you, you can go look online, check out a huge selection. We've got great prices right now. We've got great service in store. If you live in Portland, you can get, or near Portland, want to come to the store. Free classes for life on all of these machines. But because we're in Portland, Oregon, there's free shipping and no sales tax. What a great deal. So if you're looking to stock up a gift for a loved one, maybe score a sweet deal for yourself, check out our website. Or if you want to just talk to someone about our machines, give us a call at 503-775-7283 and we'll tell the guy up north exactly what you're looking for and we'll get it sent right to you. So again, 503-775-7283. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.